Now I found a beautiful map here, and I'm just about here, I think here by these places. And now I go back, and you see here the whole island is Thong Sala is the capital, and then Koh Phangan is about 16 kilometers long, and it is even also very beautiful here in the north. There is Chaloglum, and then the famous Bottle Beach here at this place, and well, very beautiful tropical island with a lot of possibilities. Koh Phangan here in the south of Thailand, just in the north of Koh Samui. I was wondering why the water is flowing to my place, but here was formed something like a river, and the water is flowing to here and filling all this area with water. I think this is because the river grew so much, and well, now we wait what happens if anything goes underwater. Finally, it's quite interesting situation. Now everything is so beautiful after this rain, and the flowers coming out, and this is really gorgeous. You cannot imagine how this nature loves everything of this, and the birds are singing. Look, this beautiful fern here. To this wonderful leaf, and the paradise here is everywhere. We have also these very beautiful caladiums. Look, with these color spots, aren't they very beautiful? So many beautiful impressions with also these colorized leaves here. Now I want to mention that this food here is very good, and it is vegan. There are no dead animals inside, and I also wanted to mention that this coconut is very healthy. These are pad thai noodles with tofu, and this is green curry with vegetables. Now here on the right side of this Thong Sala main road there are some restaurants, and I wanted especially to recommend one of them, and after I can recommend another one, but this is at the moment it is closed. And this is this Linda restaurant. They have really good food and also cheap prices, very nice seats, and yeah, I want to recommend it. Now during the storm there was no transport with fresh fruits and vegetables, so the market here is quite empty. There are nearly no fresh things for selling. Yeah, this was 3 days without ships, and so there is no fresh food, but no problem. Tomorrow everything will be fine again. But look to this, I get here some fresh turmeric, and the price is also okay. It's 15 baht. So okay, I will take a little bit of turmeric with me. You can find these beautiful little temples everywhere in Thailand, and I also donated a beautiful flower here. It's frangipani. Now this is a beautiful small lake full of waterlands. Oh, is this not beautiful? A wonderful, very beautiful grasshopper. Oh, are you so beautiful? Look to this, they catched a wasp and now they're eating it. Very interesting. So today this seems to be a really good market here, and you can find here a lot of wonderful greens also. I'm really not prepared for this. I didn't thought that we have so beautiful market here, and really it looks wonderful. Look to this beautiful chilies here. Yeah, they are. It's really beautiful here. Arriving here to the night market in Tongsala. Here it is when you arrive, you see. It is sometimes quite difficult to find it. But here it is finally. You can find here everything. Also beautiful dogs. But I think they don't eat them. Dead animals, fruits, everything. Look to this. This is only for tourists. Fish. And everything you can imagine. Every day I think I will buy some noodles for takeaway, and also I love this the vegan version of these rolls and salads. Now I think this is a new food market here. I did not see it before, and it looks quite good with a lot of small restaurants, and yeah, they also do everything what is unhealthy and also some very little small and difficult to find healthy things. So I found here a quite interesting thing. There are turtles inside, do you see them? And these beautiful fishes. And yes, it is here by a shop. Now this is here in my food market, and I buy every time. It is on Monday, Wednesday and Friday. So last time I buy all my food what I need for livestock here in this beautiful market. This is just in front of Big C supermarket. Oh, there are some things I like and some things I don't like. For example, these fried things are not what I like so much. But here I like this pad thai noodles and another pad thai noodles. And this is what I really don't know, but this is vegan and it tastes very good. So I bought this now for 550 baht, yeah? You can see these are pad thai noodles. They are bathed and made with coconut, green rice with coconut, sweet potatoes, banana, one kind, papaya, mango, other kind of banana, other kind of pad thai noodles, coconut, 100% pure handmade coconut oil, honey, real honey, and fresh raw spring rolls and hot chili sauce and fried onion and cilantro. This was all what I bought for 550 baht. So, liebe Freunde, mich haut's heute total um. Ich habe jetzt eingekauft hier für 880 Baht und das ist natürlich viel zu viel. Ich bin ja ganz alleine. Ich fange jetzt einfach mal an hier mit diesem wunderschönen Grünzeug, dann Bananen, dann diese, wo ich immer den Namen vergesse, dann hier gekochte Erdnüsse, Süßkartoffel, Bananenchips, Reischips mit Zucker, gesalzene, eine Riesenportion Cashewkerne, süße Bananen, scharfe Soße, Äpfel, Durian, Ananas, nochmal frittierte Bananen, habe ich ausgenutzt, wenn es sie gibt, so Gemüse, dann diese Äpfelchen, 1 Kilo und dann 3 Portionen Reis, Nudeln, fand ich so schön, dass er das in Papier eingepackt hat. Dann süße Banane mit Reis hier in Palmblättern, scharfe Soße. Bei diesen Chilis konnte ich unbedingt nicht widerstehen, die esse ich teilweise roh. Dann natürlich Frühlingsrollen, die kommen hier leider in Plastik und Sushi. Und ja, diese Papaya, die habe ich schon noch, so wie viele andere vorbereitete Früchte, die hier bereits im Kühlschrank warten, von mir gegessen zu werden. Ach so, Rosenäpfel habe ich vergessen. Okay, das war's mal wieder. Und ja, mir tut es selber leid, dass ich so viel gekauft habe und ich weiß gar nicht mehr, wie ich das essen soll oder wie lange ich dafür brauche. Vielleicht 3, 4 Tage. Und ich hoffe, das geht nicht kaputt. Ich habe einen Kühlschrank und so weiter. Und ich werde jetzt in aller Ruhe bis heute Nacht um 11 oder 12 werde ich hier ganz langsam essen. Ja, tschüss. Mein erster Durian. Seit ich hier bin in Thailand. Und gleich mal, nachdem ich 1000 Sachen gekauft habe, aber das würde ich als erstes mal probieren. Ist jetzt vielleicht nicht von der Qualität her der beste, aber ich finde ihn gut. Hat mich das ganze Ding 140 Baht gekostet. Ist lecker. Ich mag ihn. Also, Durian stinkt auch schön. To terminate this vlog, I want to give you some surprise videos from the air with my drone. And when you liked everything, please thumbs up, please subscribe to my channel. I love you and I support you with more beautiful videos here from Koh Phangan.